What's up, Buy Smart fam? Rocket! Welcome back to the channel where we compare tech so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we have the budget-friendly DroneEYE F10, and on the right, the high-flyer CHUBORY super-enduring brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Let's get started. All right, folks, let's talk about the first thing that hits you right in the wallet, the price. The DroneEYE F10 comes in at a cool $79. It's like the dollar menu of drones, but you get more than just fries and a soda. On the other hand, we have the CHUBORY Super Enduring Drone, priced at $149. That's right, folks, it's almost double the price. So if you're looking to spend like a Kardashian, CHUBORY's got your back. But if you're more of the ramen for dinner type, DroneEYE is your buddy. Now, let's dive into the camera specs. DroneEYE F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. You get smooth FPV transmission within 120 meters, which is perfect for capturing your neighbor's questionable lawn ornaments. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, but have mixed feelings about the camera quality, with some saying it doesn't quite hit the 1080p mark. But CHUBORY ain't playing around. It's rocking a 2K HD adjustable camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens. You can literally adjust it within 90 degrees. Reviewers rave about its excellent camera quality and stable flight. So if you're into birdwatching or spying on your ex from a safe distance, CHUBORY's got you covered. Sorry, DroneEYE, but CHUBORY just took the Oscar for Best Aerial Cinematography. Next up, let's talk battery life. The DroneEYE F10 doesn't specify its exact flight time, but let's just say it's like your phone at 20%. You're praying it doesn't die on you mid-flight. It does come with multiple fun flight modes and stunts like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotation. Reviewers have praised its speed and durability, but noted some battery and connectivity issues. CHUBORY, on the other hand, comes with 3 upgraded batteries, giving you up to 84 minutes of flight time. That's right, 84 minutes. You could binge watch an entire episode of your favorite show while this bad boy is up there. Plus, it's got brushless motors for a quieter, more powerful flight. Reviewers love its long-lasting battery and smooth operation. DroneEYE, we love you. But CHUBORY's running circles around you. Literally. Ease of use, folks. DroneEYE F10 is like the training wheels of drones. It's got one key start landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. Even your grandma could fly this thing, and she still thinks the internet is a series of tubes. Reviewers find it stable and easy to operate, making it a great starter drone. CHUBORY, though, takes it up a notch with optical flow positioning, follow me, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight functions. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's user-friendly enough for kids and beginners, but it's got features that'll make even the most seasoned drone pilots drool. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and advanced features. Sorry, DroneEYE, but CHUBORY's got more tricks up its sleeve than a magician at a kid's party. Finally, durability. DroneEYE F10 is stable and easy to control, but let's face it, it's like that one friend who's always a little wobbly after one too many drinks. It's good, but it's not indestructible. Reviewers have noted its durability, but also some issues with the build quality and battery. CHUBORY, however, is built like a tank, if tanks could fly. It's got enduring alloy brushless motors and upgraded composite material. This thing could probably survive a zombie apocalypse. Plus, it's under 249 grams, so no FAA registration required. Reviewers commend its build quality and durability. DroneEye, you're cute, but CHUBORY's ready for battle. Summing up the reviews, DroneEye F10 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun flight modes. But some users experienced issues with battery life and build quality. On the other hand, CHUBORY's super enduring brushless motor drone is lauded for its excellent camera quality, long battery life, and durable build, though a few users encountered operational issues. So there you have it, folks. If you're balling on a budget and just want to have some fun, DroneEye F10 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a little and get all the bells and whistles, CHUBORY's super enduring drone is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and let us know in the comments, which drone are you flying high with? Until next time, keep flying smart with Buy Smart. Peace out. Fuck it. Check out our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for the best product comparisons on the internet. Product links are in the description.